Hi guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I just want to share with you guys. I've been thinking and wondering. I spent more time chat with ChatGPT than my wife. Yeah, I think it's real. I spend more time typing on ChatGPT, and today's on as per this video uploaded, we can talk to ChatGPT, use our microphone. It's easy, so we just talking like to real person, but it's actually ChatGPT. So this is 2024, and AI is very stimulate our life so easy, especially the ChatGPT. First time I look after when I got confused, when I got something to understand, I go to ChatGPT. Then, other than my wife, rather than my colleague, rather than my boss, the first time I check is ChatGPT, not Google, not my wife, not my boss, not my colleague, not my peers, not my friend, but ChatGPT at the first. Later, if ChatGPT not solve my problem, that's that's uh, that's I'm started to looking for my wife or a real person to solve my problem. It's real. It's real. People nowadays talk more on ChatGPT than on their real life, even if on their social media. ChatGPT is really powerful. I subscribe for ChatGPT in the premium. I believe the cost is only less than $20, I think, and I suggest you to subscribe as well to the ChatGPT. It's really cool stuff. It's helped me a lot on my life, especially for brainstorming. Okay, brainstorming of course, and then the second thing, coding using ChatGPT is really easy. And the last thing, I think I may say, calculating. Okay, this calculation, I mean not asking ChatGPT to calculate my data, but I'm using spreadsheet, as you as well. We are using spreadsheet to do our data processing, and the formula sometimes or oftenly I ask ChatGPT to make the formula rather than I write it by myself. Now I just ask ChatGPT to doing that. It's very powerful. Okay, I'm not affiliate with ChatGPT now since ChatGPT not open affiliate program, but you should try to ChatGPT Premium. It's actually so cheap. I think for the feature they provide for us, it's so cheap, only less than $20. So cheap. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to talk to your wife, to your mom, to your dad, to your son. That's the real thing. Don't forget it. Even if you're talk more on ChatGPT, it's fine. I'm doing that as well. But don't forget your family, because your family is your precious thing, and so do I. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.